I recently provided production for the Bare Naked Ladies and Toad the Wet Sprocket. Since it's been a while since we took a pre-show look at tour production, I thought I'd do that for today. Starting with offstage right, we can see ISO boxes that are here for B&L. These are made by Wavelength. An ISO box is essentially an enclosed speaker cabinet for stage amps. With a speaker and a microphone inside, these help to make for a quiet stage. These days, with Kempers and the like, you don't see these too much anymore. Moving on to the stage now. And on stage right, we see a rather healthy B&L Guitar World. As I switch across the stage left, we see a much smaller Guitar World over there. And we can see Toad the Wet Sprocket's ear rack. Sennheisers. Monitor World is in the normal stage left position, and here we see B&L's digital Soundcraft console. Under that is their ear rack with Shure PSM 1000s. Also on this side is their PD. And their stage inputs land on this side in Monitor World. Looking down the downstage, we can see the downstage cable path here. There are crowd mics at the corners of the stage that are for the IEMs. And fill speakers for the front rows of the crowd. Let's look at the backline. Hey, look at the drums and the mics for Toad the Wet Sprocket. B&L's backline is all covered, awaiting their set. And this was what the tour was carrying for front of house. The Midas M32R is mine for system test, walk-in music, and an MC. And then it's showtime. And then it all comes out. This is a video looking at the JBL PA we're using. Comments or questions? Leave those below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to appease the algorithm, and I will see you next time.